I want to remind you guys that your story doesn't have to go viral to be valuable. Hindi mo kailangan maging viral para maging valuable. Let's say si Mr. Chinkitan, yung story niya very straightforward. Lumaki sa hirap, nagkamali sa pera, natuto, ngayon nagtuturo tungkol sa pera. It's not about drama. Hindi naman siya agad nag-viral. It is about the transformation. At hindi mo rin kailangan ng nakakaiyak na mga moments in life. Kung masaya talaga yung buhay mo, huwag ka nang umiyak. Hindi mo kailangan ng, para viral, para matindi, para may impact. No. You just have to be honest. Ang key dito is to look at your journey not as content, but as context. Yung context is, ito yung concept behind bakit nabuo yung isang bagay. If you think you don't have a story, maybe you just haven't told it in a way that connects yet. So you have to let your experiences lead the way. And that alone can make you magnetic.
Come and fly away.